Castor oil has been scientifically proven to be one of the most powerful oils that is known for its unlimited health benefits. Castor oil has a rich history dating back thousands of years. It's believed to have originated in Africa, where it was used for various medicinal purposes. Ancient Egyptians used it for skincare, and it was also mentioned in ancient Greek and Roman texts for its therapeutic properties. Over time, its use spread to different parts of the world, including Asia and Europe. During the Middle Ages, it was used as a purgative and was even referred to as the palm of Christ due to its healing reputation. In more recent history, castor oil gained prominence during the 20th century for its industrial applications, particularly in the manufacturing of soaps, lubricants, and other powerful products. Today, it continues to be valued for its unrivaled numerous health benefits. And in this video, we're going to discuss some of the golden benefits of castor oil that anyone can apply to fully transform their health. We will talk about the benefits in just a second, but you have to remember this. Castor oil is the secret of some of the world's oldest and healthiest people on this planet. This means castor oil can really change your life. Golden benefit number 1, hair growth. Castor oil is the solution for all your hair-related problems. Whether you are looking to combat hair loss, improve your hair density, that's the thickness of your hair, or simply achieve longer, healthier locks, having a natural and super effective solution like castor oil is the best choice you will ever make. Why? This is obviously because 99% of hair products out there contain harmful chemicals that have been proven to be the main causes of diseases like cancer, eczema, and severe allergies. Now, castor oil contains a unique compound called ricinoleic acid, which helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow brings more nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles, stimulating hair growth and strengthening the roots. Now, before applying castor oil, it's essential to ensure that your scalp and hair are clean and dry. Take a small amount of castor oil and massage it gently into your scalp using your fingertips. Ensure that the oil is evenly distributed across your scalp. Once your scalp is thoroughly covered, you can apply the remaining oil to the lengths of your hair, focusing on any dry or damaged areas. Leave the oil on for at least a few hours or overnight to allow it to penetrate the scalp and hair follicles. Rinse out the oil thoroughly with a mild shampoo and warm water. Now, to remove all traces of oil, you may need to shampoo your hair twice. Golden benefit number 2 is 100% moisturized skin. Skin hydration and moisturization is extremely crucial in maintaining a healthy skin. Properly hydrated skin not only looks and feels better, but also functions more effectively as a protective barrier against environmental stressors like UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays can lead to premature aging, sunburns, and an increased risk of skin cancer. So here's how castor oil works to keep your skin looking young and healthy even at old age. Castor oil acts as a humectant, meaning it attracts moisture from the air into the skin, helping to keep it hydrated and soft. It also forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface, preventing moisture loss. If you're looking to use castor oil to keep your skin looking young and healthy for most of your life, then here's how to apply it. Now, before applying castor oil, you need to make sure your skin is completely free of any dirt or makeup. Take a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it in circular motions into your skin. Focus on areas that tend to be dry or rough, such as elbows, knees, and heels. Be sure to allow the oil to absorb into your skin for a few minutes before applying any other skincare products or makeup on your skin. For best results, apply castor oil to an already moist skin, as this helps to lock in the moisture that's already present in the skin more effectively. You can also mix it with other oils or moisturizers to customize your skincare routine. Golden benefit number 3, it reduces inflammation. Now, inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or irritation, but it can have negative effects on the skin if it becomes chronic or excessive. So it becomes extremely important to regulate your body's inflammation. If you truly desire to avoid all the negative effects that come with it, like increased skin sensitivity, dryness, and compromised barrier function, which causes what we mostly experience as acne, sunburns, and dermatitis, which is a general term used to describe a decline in cognitive function severe enough to interfere with the quality of your life. Dementia affects memory, thinking, behavior, and your ability to perform everyday tasks. But the good thing is, castor oil contains compounds like ricinoleic acid, which have anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin, it helps soothe redness, swelling, and irritation, providing relief from inflammatory skin conditions like acne. So the first thing to do is to clean the affected area thoroughly and pat it dry. Take a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it into the inflamed skin using circular motions. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for maximum effectiveness. For best results, repeat this process daily until inflammation completely reduces or disappears. Golden benefit number 4 is it relieves constipation. 99% of people are not aware of this, but constipation can cause significant discomfort, and if left untreated, things can get very serious. Chronic constipation can lead to more severe complications, like a prolonged straining during bowel movements can cause hemorrhoids, which is the swelling and inflammation of veins in the rectum or anus, plus a condition called fecal impaction, which is characterized by a large, hardened mass of stool that cannot be expelled. This severe condition of constipation often requires medical intervention to resolve. And if there's any advice I can give to you guys on constipation, I would be to treat it as a serious condition, just to avoid ever putting yourself in a dangerous situation. And one easy way to do that is with castor oil. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which activates EP3 prostanoid receptors in the intestines. This activation increases fluid secretion into the intestines, softening stool and promoting its movement through the colon. Additionally, castor oil stimulates smooth muscle contractions in the intestines, further aiding bowel movements and preventing constipation. For constipation, there are 2 ways to apply it. 1. Oral consumption. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil with a beverage or food to mask its strong taste. And it's best taken on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. This allows the castor oil to act more effectively without interference from other foods. Now listen to this. Do not consume excess of it. Start with a small dose and gradually increase if needed, as excessive intake can cause cramping and diarrhea. Now, the second way of applying it is through topical application. For a gentler effect, castor oil can be massaged onto the abdomen in a clockwise motion. This can help stimulate bowel movements by promoting relaxation of the abdominal muscles and encouraging peristalsis. Now, in most cases, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before using castor oil for constipation, especially for pregnant women, individuals with gastrointestinal disorders, or those taking medications. Next is the golden benefit number 5, which is it promotes wound healing. When the skin is compromised due to an injury, cut, burn, or surgery, it becomes vulnerable to infections caused by bacteria, fungi, or other pathogens. Efficient wound healing involves the body's immune response, which works to clear out debris and fight off potential infections. By promoting timely healing, castor oil helps to reduce the risk of infections. Plus, it drastically minimizes the appearances of scars after a wound has healed. With castor oil's numerous benefits on the skin, it also restores the skin barrier function, which is the ability of the skin to protect the body against any external threat. So whenever you or your kid, or basically anybody around you, damages their skin, the first thing to do is to cleanse the wound with mild soap and water to remove any dirt or debris. Then pat the area dry gently with a clean towel. Apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the wound and surrounding skin. Gently massage the oil into the skin around the wound using circular motions. Cover the wound with a sterile bandage or dressing to protect it from further injury and to keep it clean. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times daily until the wound is fully healed.